Hi everyone, my name is Mario Salida, co-founder and CEO to Lipock, the lipid nanocapsule platform that makes natural the new standard. Regulators are changing the industry. Petroleum-based additives like BHT or paraben will be banned across the US and EU by 2030, and the industry knows this. L'Oreal, Unilever, or Givaudan are racing to replace it. To survive, the industry is turning into a $50 billion natural bioactive market. But there is a big problem. Natural replace, like essential oils, are very difficult to work with. They evaporate, don't mix with water, degrade easily. Because of this, they are up to 10 times more expensive than the synthetic alternative. And current delivery systems like emulsions, polymers, or liposome are unstable, toxic, or too expensive to scale it. At Lipock, we solve it. We developed lipid biodegradable capsules made from cost-effective 100% grass-approved materials with a specific form. We can encapsule solubles and volatile bioactives. With this, we maintain the same effect by using 45 times less essential oils. We reduce the volatility by 80%, and our formulation is stable for 12 months. The best of all, at a fraction of the price of our competitors. All of this ready in powder, gel, or suspension format without altering the infrastructure of our client. We will sell our nanocapsule directly to the flavor houses and CPGs companies. Currently, we have 3 signed LOIs, one with a full reformulator supplying Grupo Éxito, Colombia's largest retailer, and 2 with Colombian Cosmetic. Behind this, 4 co-founders, 3 PhD with over 20 years of experience in this technology, and myself, second-time founder with 10 years in business. At Lipock, we don't just encapsule bioactive. We are building the infrastructure for a synthetic-free future. Thank you.